Hi friends, it's Icy and today I've got a blog post on how to create an About Me page. So before we get started, I've got some pages from Masha of Masha Plans. She likes doing About Me pages on her bullet journals and they are very cute and colorful, and it's good to draw inspiration from bullet journal people like her. So after getting ideas and inspiration from the bullet journal community, this is the About Me page that I have created. So first we'll do a self-portrait. Next up, a sentence about yourself. And then your favorite colors, your favorite drink, top 3 things that make you happy, 3 things that you are good at, 3 goals that you would like to achieve, and finally, your favorite quote. So materials wise, I will be using my A5 dot grid journal, pink, purple, and yellow acrylograph pens, and pink, yellow, and purple calligraph pens. And I will be using these pens for doodling and coloring in. So feel free to use whatever colors you like and use the supplies you already have at home. And most important of all, just remember to have fun. So as you can see, I have already drafted everything out in pencil. This makes it easy for me to change things as needed. And also feel free to move your doodles around the pages. You don't have to do your About Me page exactly like mine. If you want to add some more things, feel free to do so as well. Let your creativity run wild and express your own individuality. And once I'm happy with my draft, this is when I erase some of the pencil markings. So at the top of the page, I decided to write hello in simple hand lettering. And for my self-portrait, I decided to draw myself in simple stick figure drawing inside a Polaroid photo. And next to my self-portrait, this is where I write a sentence about myself. And for my favorite colors, I thought it was cute to put it in a little painting palette. And my day would never ever be complete without my favorite drink, which is coffee, and the specific type of coffee that I'm currently obsessed about is caramel macchiato. So for the lists that we are going to include in our About Me page, we are going to draw pieces of paper that look like we've ripped them out of our notebooks. So feel free to color them in or leave them white. And another fun thing you can do with these doodles is that you can add horizontal lines so they look like they've been ripped out of lined notebooks. But if you're feeling even more creative, I recommend getting different colored pieces of paper and then gluing them on your journal, and that's where you can write your lists down. And last but not least, we'll end with a quote that is your favorite or that resonates with you the most. This may sound random, but I like filling in empty spaces with doodles, like my favorite flower, so I'm just gonna draw a daisy. Your doodles don't need to be flowers, they could be simple things like stars or hearts, just as long as they fill empty spaces so they don't feel too plain. So this is my About Me page. So feel free to add other things that you would like and use different colors and different doodles. And please feel free to tag us on social media so we can see your work. And thank you for watching. Till the next blog post.